We're now up to step 5, finding the right mortgage for you in your home buying journey. There are quite a few different types of mortgages, and if you go to a broker for a mortgage versus just a bank, they're gonna have even more options. The primary type of mortgage that most people do for, I would say, a home of $700,000 or $800,000 or higher is going to be a conventional loan. You'll see a lot of people use this because that is what's going to be most popular, convenient, and well priced. The next kind would be FHA. That's for the low down payment, or if you have a lower credit score, if you have bankruptcies, which need to be a little bit seasoned, but the FHA loans, which are government backed, are going to be a lot more forgiving of all those imperfections on your credit, or if you don't have the high down payment. So that's a great option for you there. VA loans, which are the best gift ever to those that have served or are serving in our military. They have 0 down payment options with a VA loan. I've worked on those in the past with my clients, and I think it's a wonderful opportunity for those people. If they want to do 0 down, they can. It's a wonderful, wonderful option, and I highly recommend, if you have that available to you, to at least check into that. Next, you have jumbo loans, which are for loans that are going to exceed the conventional loan balance. That changes every year. Right now in 2022, it's $937,000 in Orange County. It will be going up every year though, so that's something to consider. And then renovation loans let you borrow money in addition to for the house purchase, but they lend you money also for renovating the house. And there's different programs for that, and there's a lot of details, so I won't go into all that, but that is an option. If you want to buy a fixer-upper, you can get funds to actually improve the home, and there's even multiple different ways of how you get that and whether there's an administrator or not. So we can talk about that. If you have questions on that, definitely contact me and I'll help you out with that. So that's your different options for getting the loan. Definitely consult with your mortgage professional to see which is the right loan type for you. That being said, the next step is to get fully pre-approved. So check it out in my next video.